Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got one special Z28, probably one of the most special 69Zs in the country. It is Jerry MacNeish certified as being a real Z28 with its numbers matching motor. And guess what? Under the hood is a genuine cross ram dual quad setup. This thing is nut and bolt restored, very, very well documented. Of course, it's a 4-speed, 373 posi. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs and study the 100 pictures. We have detailed pictures of all the different numbers and codes and the certifications that this car has. It's all on our website along with the price. And you won't only find this car, you'll find a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll be the first to see these videos. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as they come out. But right now, let's go for a spin in a Cross Ram Z28. Yeah, it has custom wheels on it, but those are vintage, period correct. That's what they put on the Yenkos. That was a common thing back then. They are reproduction torque thrust wheels. It has the reproduction Polyglass 15-inch tires as well. So the exterior of the car is pristine. It's Cortez silver as the exterior trim group, which is the stainless moldings, the louvers. Obviously has spoilers, and that's a fiberglass proper cowl induction hood for a cross ram setup. That's a very rare hood. This restoration was done at least 10 years ago. It looks like it was done yesterday. The body is excellent. Everything fits beautifully. The stripes are painted on real nicely. You don't even feel them at all. It has bumper guards. So of course the emblems, all this stuff has been redone. Look how nice everything fits. Rear windows crystal clear. Inside, all the trim and the package shelf is mint. Stainless is all polished. Yeah, all this stuff is excellent. But again, look at the gaps. Smooth, there's no bubbles, no issues. I've been around the car, I don't find anything. I don't find any cracks, bubbles, anything at all. It's beautiful Cortez silver. Windshield looks like it's new. Wipers, everything's nice. Nice. All of this is in excellent shape. T3 headlights. But let's get to the main attraction. Said this is the fiberglass hood. It's for the cross ram setup, so it's cowl induction. That's a genuine cross ram induction. That's got the winter's snowflake and the proper number on the intake. Wait till you hear this beast run. So number match motor, that is certified by Jerry MacNeish. Everything in here is restored, all the bushings and markings and hoses and clamps and wiring. Power brakes with the cadmium plated booster. Got the original trim tag on the firewall, all the assembly line markings, spring clamp battery cables with an actual Delco battery. It's got the right numbered alternator even, and that's documented on our website. Interior is all restored. Oh, I forgot to grab the key. Rosewood wheel. It's got the console with the full gauge package, has the clock, everything's working including the clock. Has the reproduction floor mats. This car sold at Barrett-Jackson auction for a lot more money than what we're asking for it. So someone's getting a good value. Trunk compartments all restored, new mat, tire cover, stickers, weather strips. It's all there. It's got the jack back there too. The insulation behind the seat, I just noticed, is new. Yeah, the right shroud, hoses, clamps, the front end's rebuilt. It does have a set of coated headers. When you put cross ram on there, you almost need the headers. Actually, just a 4-barrel Z28 breathes so much better with headers. So that's not from the factory, but that's a real common thing to put on a cross ram car. You might have noticed there's yellow traction bars underneath too. Another nostalgic period correct item that can easily be unbolted and taken off. The whole bottom of the car is nut and bolt restored. All clean metal, every component, the suspension, the lines, the fuel tank, all new, and all the assembly line paint markings have all been duplicated underneath the car. Has its original 373 12-bolt posi. It is a Muncie 4-speed. I don't remember if it's an M20 or 21. I think it's a 21, but I'll have that listed on the website. So not only is this, I see so many cars that are fully restored, but they're thrown together. This car's right. This one really is right. When it came in, the guys in the shop said that's a good one. It feels right, looks right. Now, here's what's going to sell you. Everything lights up real nice. Even the heater controls are lit up. Very snappy, responsive. Motor's running great. You can look forward to George doing the test drive video, which will be on our website too. I haven't driven this one yet, but I'm going to. This thing sounds like a beast. Rare car. This is investment grade. You'd have bragging rights. This is just an awesome, fun investment, high quality car right here. Go to volocars.com. I have a staff of people that can help answer your questions or concerns about the cars, the financing, the delivery. We can help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.